How to contact Alibaba customer support. Need help with a problem? This guide shows you how to contact Alibaba customer support so you can get a solution to your problem. First, go to Alibaba website or the app and look for Help Center. You can find this at the bottom right of the page. The Help Center has a lot of useful information and answers a lot of common questions. Go to the headphone button right on the top. If you have a problem that you can find a solution for, you can submit a complaint. You'll be asked to provide all the details about the problem, like the order number and the supplier's name. Make sure you provide all the information to get a solution faster. Customer support is a very important part of the business. They can help you with a lot of problems and can help you get a refund if something goes wrong. So don't be afraid to contact them if you have a problem. You can also talk to them on a live chat, just like this. They'll respond quickly to your arguments. You now know how to contact Alibaba customer support. Get ready to get a solution to your problem. Like and subscribe for more business tips.